Now let's get to the weather. It's hot. If you're out today, temperatures above 100 in the Upper Valley, 100 in Edinburg, 103 in Rio Grande City, 96 in Harlingen, though, and down to 89 now in Brownsville. Tomorrow's a day when we're probably going to see dry weather most places, but there might be a brief shower or thunderstorm popping up in some areas in the afternoon with the sea breeze, but most of the time kind of partly sunny. Temperatures in the mid to upper 90s in most areas tomorrow, probably over 100 from about McAllen off to the west. But as we heat up, there's enough moisture in the air, you might get lucky and see one or two showers or storms somewhere in the valley tomorrow. You can kind of see some tropical moisture lingering here in the southern Gulf, and a little bit of this is getting pushed to the north. So as that moisture comes our way tomorrow, it could give the sea breeze a little extra kick for maybe a shower or storm. This should say tomorrow, not this evening, but spotty showers tomorrow evening, afternoon, evening, about a 10 to 20% chance, a little bit better chance if you had to say a 20% area, mainly in the mid-valley, but I think most areas around 10% or maybe a little bit less, especially along the coast. Future track does show dry weather this evening and tonight. If you look at the map, it shows mainly partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow's a day, though, with partly sunny skies around most of the day, but occasionally you might see a shower or storm pop up in the afternoon, as future track shows from about noon through about 5 or 6 p.m. are your best chances, but probably not widespread. But there's moisture in the air, a good amount of moisture, so if you do get a shower storm, it's probably going to be more than a sprinkle. You might get a heavy downpour that could add up to maybe more than an inch in one or two spots, but most of the time and in most places looking dry. Same thing for Wednesday too. Most of the day is looking dry, but the sea breeze may spark a quick shower or storm in spots Wednesday afternoon, and then we're back to mainly dry weather by Thursday. You kind of see this again on future track. The upper levels show an upper level high in North Texas, but some tropical moisture trying to get up here from the south. Again, not like a disturbance or anything, just kind of some extra moisture in the air tomorrow that could help spark a shower or storm. But besides that area of moisture, most of Texas will be dry the next day or two if you're traveling. Rain chances here about 10% tomorrow and Wednesday, down to less than 10% by Thursday, and then temperatures could heat up more after that by the weekend, as I think we may see a fairly hot end to the July month here coming. So the first 1570 forecast near 98 tomorrow, but that will range from a high of about 90 at the coast, about 105 in western Starr County, about the same on Wednesday too. Thursday and then Friday, we start to heat up a little bit more. It looks like the atmosphere does get pretty hot over the weekend, meaning it could be maybe close to record-setting temperatures in some areas here, especially by Saturday and Sunday. Look at those numbers, about 102 for an average high in the valley, which means from about Harlingen westward especially could be above 100 degrees. So we'll keep watching the heat ahead and have more updates in your first 1-5 forecast. Stay tuned.